Ma'am, good morning, good morning. Ayan, we are here at St. Agatha Homes 2 Bulacan, Plaridel, Bulacan. And we have our new unit, Lily, which is 50 square meters per area, 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Ayan, so single, detached fully siya. So you have your space sa right, and you have your carport. So usually kahit sa 100 square meter na lot, magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng space for car garage. So, dahil 50 square meter, talagang minimalist or sakto lang sa yung spacing dito sa house. Ayan, so usual house dito sa Bulacan area. Pero maganda nito, both side, you have your window. So, tipid kayo sa ilaw. Ayan. So, you have your couch and your TV. Before natin tingnan ang ating first toilet and bath, you have your space, storage space dito sa ilalim ng ating stair. And meron din siyang outlet. Ayan. Ating first toilet and bath, ayan. So nakatile siya half and painted, and you have your shower, your sink, and then so medyo maliit, ayan, yung space. So either dito nyo na lang lagay yung inyong laundry, tapos gawin nyo na lang powder room. Ayan. Here naman ang ating kitchen and dining area. Minimalist talaga ang ating house, pero ang kagandahan nito, kahit parang may division siya from living and dining area, tanaw nyo pa rin yung inyong bisita kung kayo nagpe-prepare or nagluluto. Ayan. Ayan. Kung masisikipan naman kayo dito sa spot na to, you have your space sa likod para mag-extend ng dirty kitchen. So, let's go. So you have your space here para sa inyong dirty kitchen and laundry area. Pero, ayan, may saksakan tayo. Pero nandito sa gilid yung ating gripo. Ayan, take note. So, kung saan kayo maglalagay ng inyong washing machine. Don't forget to like or follow our social media accounts, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube, HomeKey 2017. Here naman ang ating first bedroom. So, typically nga 50 square meters, so talagang medyo minimalist tayo, pero kaya pa rin ng karoon ng cabinet and single or double bed. Pero yun nga, napansin ko rin na medyo mababa yung ating ceiling height. So, I don't think kung kaya mag-double deck. Pero, possible naman. Okay, here naman ang ating second toilet and bath. And you can see na medyo masikip siya. So, bago ka, kailangan mong humakbang bago ka maka-shower. Ayan. So, ang turnover unit naman natin ay nakatiles naman siya half, tapos painted sa taas. And mas malaki yung space niya ngayon dito sa shower kasi nga medyo mas maliit yung size ng ating sink. Okay, so ang ating master's bedroom. Ayan. So, ayan. Ikot lang. So, double size bed naman, kasha or queen ba to. Ayan. Then you have your space there. So, that's it. It's a minimalist unit. If you like this unit, please do inquire sa aming page or sa aking contact number. Ayan. So, don't hesitate, and thank you and God bless.